It's time we cleared the air about the way that the world works. The prizes are reserved for all the pushers and the flirts. So here's a little tip if you're not sure how you might act in awkward situations that require your grace and your tact. It's easy, just don't kick a girl when she's down, and don't push a guy with a frown. No, don't kick a girl when she's down, and don't push a guy with a frown. That letter that you wrote to the chairman of the board, begging for your job, believing you're mightier than the sword, and the people who on sunny days were your three musketeers. Oh, when your darkness comes, you'll find your cries fall on deaf ears. Oh, just don't kick a girl when she's down, and don't push a guy with a frown. No, don't kick a girl when she's down, and don't push a guy with a frown. To the angel that shows up at your last breath, when you're as good as gone, they use their wings to lift your head. Oh, maybe stuck in traffic, maybe living it up downtown. Oh, anywhere but here when you are lying on the ground. Kick a girl when she's down, and don't push a guy when his tears are falling down. No, don't kick a girl when she's down, and don't push a guy with a frown. No, don't kick a girl when she's down.